Alright, it's Monday. Kokomo Joe's. Time for a break. We didn't do much this weekend, so we're like, hey, let's go to Kokomo Joe's. It's a beautiful day. It hasn't started raining yet. It's supposed to rain later. So, anyway, time for some Willy Wonka. Alright, Kokomo Joe's. I hope that pixel game is working. And I don't think we've played their tower tickets here. So, let's see if there's any golden tickets on the Willy Wonka first. Then we'll play some. Oh my god, the beanbag jackpot is a little high already.
Paradise.
Oh, the music's working today. Alright. You know, there's always a chance someone doesn't get their golden ticket, but that looks fine. Alright, you want to play some Pixel first?
No, you don't play this.
I see they already made the beanbag toss impossible. They maxed out that jackpot. I say the employees are doing that. Alright, I don't know what machine looks good.
Cheetahs.
Wait, I wanted a Willy Wonka. I need to find a machine. He's right there in the middle, but the middle is hard. That's right, I forgot. We need a Willy Wonka to complete a set. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Alright. The Pixel? You wanna do that first? Alright, let me play Willy Wonka for a little bit and then we'll go play the Pixel. I can at least get this Willy Wonka right here and then we'll play some other games. So our budget today is $50.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Will we go over our 50?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I would love a bar of chocolate. I should have ate before I came here because this machine makes me
So what is he
so
saying?
hungry.
What is he saying?
I would like a bar of chocolate, please.
I keep thinking, okay.
What do you think he says?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I hear I'd like to buy a chocolate, please.
No, he says I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
It is. I've watched the movie 20 million times. I mean, he is buying it, but he says I'd like a bar of chocolate. It's $1.30.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Alright, here we go. I want that Willy Wonka. And then, of course, if they would please give me a golden ticket. That's a good push. Maybe I shouldn't have did 75 because I think I'm going to get this pretty early. Oh, and the music was working last time, so that's pretty cool. The music is working. Oh, my timing is off. So the bonus is 20 tickets. Oh, come on. There we go. There he is. Alright, so now, I don't know. I guess I'll just work on the middle. Oh man, so close to the golden tickets. Oh, I got my timing off. Alright, last
Now,
one.
time to say goodbye.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Alright. I got 67 tickets and a Willy Wonka card, which I needed him to finish the set. So now all I need is a golden ticket. I think I'll play some other games and then we'll come back to this.
You want to view paradise, swim near the rousing and
The music's working.
Yeah, I'm glad. Yeah, it's an
anything you
experience.
want to do it. Want to change the world.
Alright, we're at the Pixel Chase game, and so this is the first time he's seriously played. So $1.25 per swipe. He has to beat that to get the bonus. The bonus is only 520 points.
Come on up, let's get it! You can do it! Bonus challenge!
They need to get more balls.
Oh yeah, they're only giving him 2 balls at a time. I don't know if that's normal.
Keep
A
it
lot of
up!
balls. So I think there's like 4 balls, but the way they're staggered,
5,
you only have 2 at a time in your hand.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so his
Give it
high
another
score
shot.
was 18,600.
Yeah, that's a little
Okay, I feel like they have the high score at an unattainable.
It is.
I'd have to. I don't see anyone else play it, so I don't know what the average high score is.
Let's try it again.
Yeah.
I don't feel like we can get balls.
I agree.
Take the challenge and catch the pixel! You can do it!
Okay, so the red gives them the highest at 1,000.
Bonus event! Keep it up! I can't believe it! Five, wow! Keep it up! 3, 2, hurry up!
Okay, you did better that time.
don't-
Give it another shot!
Does seem. It's kind of seems like it's set at an unattainable goal.
Well, there's
so,
no way I can hit every one of those and I don't have enough balls to
yeah. So anyone else who's played this, what is your arcade's average high score? Just curious. Because they obviously have set the beanbag toss too
do it. I
high.
don't want nobody winning. We'll try the beanbag. Just-
Nobody. Well, let me make sure there's no Totos on the Wizard of Oz. So sometimes they're a little generous at this arcade, and sometimes they're not. Usually when we come here, oh, there's a Toto. There's a Toto. This beanbag is usually what, 40? It's usually set at 40,000. So, all right. All right. Let's see, right or left.
3 in a row gets the street bonus. The red's the highest value. Ready, go! Only shoot at the lighted hole. Red street bonus. Blue street bonus. Always aim for a red hole. Red street bonus. Swish. Blue street bonus. Red street bonus. Blue
Alright, I saw the
Blue
maybe.
Street
I saw the
Tally.
beanbag was a little slow, and he has to be careful because if he reaches over, oh yeah, you got it. It's one of those if you reach over too far for a beanbag, the sensor will go off and you'll get disqualified. So
Red Street Tally.
seems like
75.
yay, you got it, jackpot.
I win.
You win. That doesn't seem very exciting.
Sorry.
Alright, woohoo! First try. Come on, that's pretty darn good.
Let's just try the other one.
Big
Try the other
winner.
one, right? Alright.
Beanbag Toss Superstar. Yes.
Yes. Oh my god, that was a close one. You were down to the last second.
I know, and I beat it.
That one was close. Alright.
You literally got to hit it every time.
I know, you do.
Right up.
You do. There's no room for error on these
No.
machines.
No, there's not.
Red Street Tally.
Alright,
Alright,
I
look
won.
at that. Double jackpots.
Double jackpot.
Alright, so now I hope it doesn't
Get
confuse
your
the
bag
computer.
on.
Adding tickets to the
I
same
know.
card.
It's like, what do I do?
I don't know. I'll have to double check. Make sure I have an extra 1,000 after this is over with. Alright, I'm gonna go sit in front of the car before someone else runs off. There's a total right here. I'm gonna wait till it adds to his tickets. Oh yeah. $1.15. I'm gonna wait till it finishes adding the tickets. So. Sorry, just watching.
Game on the pinhole.
What are you watching?
They're adding your tickets.
Oh.
I don't want to like totally confuse the machine. I don't know. Like I don't know. I'm all paranoid. I'm sure
It knows what it's doing.
it knows what it's doing. It's much smarter than me. But look at that, double jackpots.
Double jackpots.
Oh my god, I want a T-shirt made that says double jackpots.
There you go. Double jackpot.